I had a bunch of 20-inch 2x4 offcuts from a previous project and wanted a project to make something out of them. Since I've already got parts cut to more or less size, I went right to the joiner. To get them square, it wasn't the best 2x4s. This just needed 4 of them, so definitely under a full 2x4. To make this 3-level plant stand that I've made bigger versions of before, but this one came out awesome. Then on the planer, for 2 of them I got them just square, and for the others I went a little longer until a bit over an inch thick. That's going to be the shelves for the plant stand, while the thicker ones are going to be the frame. Glue up the 2 thinner boards. The goal here is to make 3 6x6 squares, so the unjointed sides will be ripped off next. For such a glue up, if you don't clamp it against the table too, it will for sure twist or end up not great. So just take this 4x4 or any form piece of wood and clamp it down. On the table side, put your blade to the thickness of your thicker wood from earlier, and then rip them into 2x2s. Back to the miter saw, I went to cut those frame pieces to length. The first one I trimmed off both ends, keeping it at around 20 inches. The second one I did 15 inches, and the third one I did 10 inches. Place them on the table like this, the longer ones in the back with the shorter one up front. Measure the space between the back ones and the space from the front ones to that 2x2. Go cut those on the miter saw. As you can see, no precise measures here. It's all relative to what you got. Just go with what feels right, and then you can copy what worked. With all the parts cut, before assembly, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a ton. Thanks to all subscribers. Glue the pieces into a T. Clamp them up while not hiding the place to screw your joint. I used a pocket hole bit because I want to hide the screws with a dowel, and this is the perfect tool for it, a 3/8 hole with a screw pilot hole at the end. Screw that with a 2-inch or longer wood screw. Align it where you want, then take the shorter frame piece and do the same, clamping it against your T, and then pre-drill and screw it. Finally, do the 2 last sides at once, making sure they stay square to the table as you do so. With all the parts screwed, put some glue into the 3/8 holes, pop in a dowel, and cut it flush with the pull saw. This will be sanded later. Take your glue up from earlier and rip it to 6 inches. I removed the same width on both sides so the glue up ends up centered. Go trim that off on the miter saw, then cut it into 3 6-inch parts to make 3 6x6 squares. Pre-drill those right through with the 3/8 drill bit, then pre-drill the top of the frame parts. Add glue, then a dowel right through it all with more glue in the shelves hole from the top. This looks a bit wobbly, but once I applied pressure to all of them after I cut the dowels, this tight bound one glue got tacky pretty fast and it was nice and square. Cut those flush and keep for later to sand once dry, pressing them down well before letting it dry. Give everything a good sanding. I wait for now because of all the dowels, but I guess you could do it in 2 stages. I finalized it with a coat of wood ager from Verite, then some wipe-on poly to protect it from plants and water. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.